So this here is the whole submission of deliverables. System requirements, how the system will work. I'm not going to go too in-depth on these because these are the high-level documents that really are very, very important and drive the whole process. And we're still in the validation area. Risk mitigation, system design specifications, electrical design. And these, we haven't coded a thing yet. This is all about software, but yes, software hasn't entered the picture because the documentation that you need to show what the software will do and how to prove it later is key. And if you don't do it right up front, you'll see a few slides later that show what the real cost is to not following this process. So software guys are going to talk a little bit about hardware. So a lot of people, very simple, will come to us and say, we have a microprocessor and some design laid out, write some software for this, we want it to do something. So you'll see that there's some green and there's some red. Safety critical data going through a microprocessor, non-safety critical data going through a microprocessor. Not a big deal, maybe not, but if you want to have regression testing, update this product, and all of those types of things, keeping that non-safety critical data in there means that you now have to test it to the level of the safety critical data. So now you have to write it a different way, test it a certain way, and what we would do is we would suggest maybe taking 2 microprocessors and separating the data and then saving money down the road. You add a little cost up front, save a ton of money later. So mechanical components, these are all the deliverables that will come. They also cover hardware. User error analysis, these are some of the tests that you will get done by outside agencies to see when a human enters into the picture, what can go wrong. And that's really where software can play a role as well with alarms, flashing lights, certain things that have to be specified in this area so that when a human makes a mistake, because they will make a mistake, the user will make a mistake, the nurse is rushing, the doctor's rushing, something will happen, we will step in and mitigate that risk.